Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to find the creation date and time of your Google Contacts in 2025. Whether you're organizing your contacts, verifying information, or just curious about when you added someone, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Google has made some updates to its interface, so let's dive right in and get you up to speed. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Head over to contacts.google.com. That's the web version, which is the most straightforward for this task. Once you're in, you'll see your list of contacts. Go ahead and search for the specific contact you're interested in using the search bar at the top. It's super quick and user-friendly. Now, once you've selected the contact, click on it to open the details page. Here's where it gets a bit tricky. Google Contacts doesn't always display the creation date directly on the main screen. To find it, look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the Contacts page. Click that, and then select View Details, or Activity, if available. In 2025, Google might have enhanced this feature, but if you're not seeing it, don't worry, we'll cover a backup plan. If the creation date isn't visible, your next best bet is to export your contacts. Go back to the main Contacts page, click on Export from the left menu, and choose to download your contacts as a Google CSV file. Once downloaded, open that file in a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Excel. Look for columns that might include timestamps, such as created date or modified date. This method gives you a full history and is a reliable way to dig into the details. One quick tip: if you're using the Google Contacts app on your phone, the process is similar. Open the app, select the contact, and check for any history options in the menu. Remember, features can vary based on your device and account type, so if you're on a Google Workspace account, you might have more advanced tools. There you have it, a simple, step-by-step way to uncover the creation date and time of your Google Contacts. This can be a game changer for managing your digital clutter. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.